students that really have a passion for medicine or have watched different shows on TV, they want to know exactly what it's like. This program gives them that opportunity. It ties into the practical, ties into the theory. They get to go into the industry, they get to go into a hospital environment, and they get to do projects in teams. So my name's Dr. Cal, and I'm the course lead for the medicine program here at Bucksmore Education for the Young Professionals program in London at King's College London. The whole Young Professionals program encapsulates things like cardiology to respiratory, gastroenterology, and we're also proud to offer industry days as a part of our program. This is when the students get out of the classroom and actually feel what a real life experience in a hospital may be. We'll be visiting King's College London's famous simulation suites where the students will be learning about A to E assessments. They'll be examining robotic patients, listening to their chest sounds, dealing with their medications, and they'll be in immersive scenarios in small groups in like an escape room situation. I think the program is fantastic because it brings together students from different parts of the world. They are, practicing medicine. They are working with doctors, they're working with professionals that can give them insight into those careers. The Capstone Industry project, what the students get to do is choose a particular chronic condition. This year we've had two amazing groups of students. One group has decided to discuss polycystic ovary syndrome, and the other group beta blockers and atrial fibrillation. The best thing about it is it really challenges them and kind of gives them an insight into what it's like about researching and developing a drug. They'll also talk about clinical trials. They'll be given a £500 million budget that they have to spend wisely, and then by the end of it they're going to be pitching to our real Dragon's Den or Shark Tank of pharmaceutical industry experts as well as medical experts who will decide whether their drug that the students have chosen will win the competition. And the most amazing thing about any Capstone Industry project is its accreditation. So having something like this on your application is extremely useful when applying overseas to universities or even in your own country. You'll receive accredited certificates at the end.
Hi, my name is Tilda. I'm from Turkey. The education is great. I'm really experiencing how it would be if I went to med school, and it is really nice to go to simulators and actually simulate how it would be to take care of a patient. It's really nice to make international friends. That was my goal when I came here, and I actually made it. And it's really nice. It's a welcoming community. I don't feel like an outsider at all. I would say just do it because it's a really good experience for your future.